we entered. We got our 1-to-1, moved our stops to break even. I let the runner run. We hit take profit. Then into today, we can see price is still respecting the moving averages. My bias is long. I can see we had a break of this level here, respected once, respected twice. I still am waiting, even though we've got the break of my 1 hour resistance area here. I am still waiting price to close above my 4 hour level here. Yeah, so I'm all marked up, ready to go. What I can see here, if we drop back down into the 15-minute chart, we're respecting this 8 moving average. We've got the break above 1 hour level here. We had a pull back here. We're respecting it, the moving average again, and a push up. So the reason why I'm waiting for that close above the 4 hour wick is to eliminate any fake outs. So, you know, there's times where you'll see a break of a level. We want to see a bit of price action above that level, then to enter. Then that eliminates that fake out. And so everything I'm seeing at the moment is looking good for me to enter this position. I do all my analysis is on TradingView, but I enter my trades on my MT4 trading account. So this is how I see the trade going today. I don't know if we're going to hit me overall 106 pip target to the 153,600 level, but that'd be nice. But all my confidences are in place, and I can see our 1-to-1 being hit, and then we're in a risk-free position because we're going to be pulling off 20 pips drop loss break even. And what I'll do is I'm just going to enter this position, wait for the close of this 15-minute candle. So what time I'm looking at now is 09:27 GMT time. And then what we'll do is we'll do a New York session video later today. See how this played out. Date today, the date is the 9th of the 3rd, 22. Yeah, so I'll leave it at that, and then I'll make another video later today, and we'll see how this position played out.